Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Windows 11 version 22H2 on your Windows 11 computer. The easy way is to go to the start menu, then click on settings, then go to Windows update and click on check for update. Now if 22H2 is not showing over here, in that case copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now. Run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now over here, if there is an update, if 22H2 is not installed, you will see accept and install option. So click on accept and install and let the installation complete. And after the installation, you should have this 22H2 installed on your computer. So you can use Windows 11 installation assistant. In my case, I ran this Windows 11 installation assistant and I was able to install 22H2 on my computer. Now, still you're unable to install. In that case, you can use Media Creation Tool to update your Windows 11.
Go to this website. Here also you will find Media Creation Tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 Media Creation Tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this Windows version 22H2 on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.